Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Ford Focus Mk3 and we'll show you how to replace the trunk lock, the hatchback lock on it. It's a hatchback, a sedan, could be very similar to that. It should be helpful with some minor differences. So stay with us now guys, we'll show you how to do that. So we need to open the trunk guys, the hatch door first, and we need to remove that whole trim right here, that plastic black trim. But what you need to do first right here on the back, if you go with a flathead screwdriver, we need to remove those handles there, because there is hidden bolts underneath those. Okay, we're going to pull this one out and you can see, let me show you, that's where the bolt is. 1, 2 bolts. So we have a 7mm, I think that's the one that we need. We're going to take them off. So it's a bolt or a screw kind of thing. One more there. And we need to do the same thing to the right side as well. We need to remove that door handle cover, and underneath it again 2 more. Make sure that those clips stay here, if not push them in, because otherwise it will not lock good. And again we need to go ahead and remove those screws, just 2 of them. And now it will be pretty easy, but there is a couple clips to remove it, and you need to do quite a bit of pulling here and there. And once we remove it, we'll show you guys where exactly the clips are. So if you start with a prying tool and you get it with your fingers, okay, it will come off. Okay, we have a few more there. Okay, almost there. You can see that's how simple it is. Now let me show you guys where all the clips are. Facing that way, you can see all of them. Okay, so you know where to apply a little bit more pressure. And this is the lock right here that we need to remove and replace. And now there is only 2 bolts and the wires for it. The wires on the back side, there is a tin that you need to press down and you need to pull them. Okay, and this one is so short that it's hard to do. Okay, once we remove it, I'll show you exactly where it is. Okay guys, we managed to pull it out, and that's where you need to press down quite a bit and pull. And actually we have 3 bolts with a T30 now. Okay, we need to go ahead and remove those, hold it. Or actually it's a T40 on this model. And this is guys the lock right here. That's how simple it is to remove it and replace it if yours is not functioning right. So you put it back together exactly the same way we took it apart guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.